I filmed this video twice already, okay? And it was just not a vibe. Like, I did not like the way my hairline was looking at all. I did not like the way the hair was sitting. And I'm like, you know what? I can't upload this. I can't upload this. So here I am again. The hair that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is actually from Nadula Hair. And I would like to thank Nadula Hair for sending this hair over to me because it is the perfect beginner hair. It is an HD lace 5x5 wig, and I'm just going to show you guys the inside. And this is the 5x5 lace area, and I think the 5x5 lace wig is actually the perfect wig for beginners because you don't have to worry about manipulating so much lace all at the same time. And you guys will see when I start to put this on again, because I'm going to go ahead and install this hair. I'm going to straighten it for you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and clip the ends. It is 16 inches and it is pretty layered, but I'm not interested really in a layered look. So I think I'm going to cut off maybe this much hair. What is that? About 3 or 4 inches. So we gonna do this together, guys. Try number 3. And if you guys see me looking over to the side, it is because that is where I'm going to have my mirror and my products.
I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me different. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gon' love me. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke. I'm worried that I don't have control. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry. You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry. You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. I'm worried about my father's health. I'm worried about being by myself. I'm worried I ain't doing too well. I'm worried, but I did it to myself, yeah. I'm worried that you don't need me. I'm worried that you'll go and leave me. I'm worried that it won't work out, yeah. I'm worried that I'll never make it out, yeah. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry. You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry. You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. I'm not looking for a one night.
So I went ahead and detailed the hair a little bit off camera. And I'll rise up and show you guys a little bit. I think I did a pretty good job. I wanted the cut to be blunt, but I didn't want it to be too blunt. Where it looked like so crazy. If you're not used to cutting your own hair, I wouldn't recommend doing this. That is definitely not part of the beginning part, but yes, I just felt for this hair, the ends looked a little thin since it was layered, so I preferred it like this. I'm going to add a couple of bumps to the end and I'll come back and reveal the rest for you guys.
you wanna know you, show you all the classics. No, I'm spoiled, but I saw you when I saw the talent. The first glance when I knew that I gotta have it, yeah. You were so left field with it. 80 proof, you gon' prove that you real with it. Used to moving real timid, letting loose, the little sinning. Low key like a seal mission. Choked up in a submission. You so fucked up, all hugs when the light switching. You the only one I get the cost if you try running.
I'm feeling this so much better. So I'm applying some foundation powder, and this is just regular MAC Studio Fix. And I'm being very imperfect with it because my hairline isn't always perfect, and I feel like when the hairline looks more imperfect, it looks much more natural. And I'm definitely feeling my hairline much more with the baby hairs. And this is the final look.
Don't face, shoot my shot like what's up, but I draw blanks. Go getter, I'm a gorilla, got myself some gold chains. There's a lot I don't tell you, know I should've known better. You eye candy and I been fed up. Iron grip on a Stella, bitch, I won't let up. She think that it's just for the night. Fuck it then, I be out acting like she right. Feeling like she just moving on my homies out of spite. Give a fuck about it, find another one I like. Let you know about it, yeah. When the night's not controlling you, so when you get up and you leave, but I don't wanna see what you open to, like the renegade life, but I
Thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. Again, this was very beginner friendly. This is supposed to be for the girls that normally don't wear wigs, don't want to have to work so hard to finesse the wig. This is for you, sis. This is for you. I want to go ahead and thank Nadula Hair again so much for sending me over this hair. I love it a ton, and I want to come back and give you guys maybe a 1 month or 2 month review on this hair after wearing it for a little bit. So go ahead and comment down below if you'd like to see a video like that, and I will see you in the next one.